today's video, I'm going to be trying the Richmond vegan sausages. This is the package, and you can see here actually how realistic they look. Oh, I don't know. Do you think they look realistic? I think they look really weird. So the two cooking instructions they've got is either the hob or the oven. I hope these taste good because it's my dinner. So because it takes the longest, I'm going to start off with the oven instructions. So it's preheat your oven to 190 degrees, place sausages on a baking tray in the middle of the oven and cook. Like seriously, look how weird they look. I wonder what they smell like actually. That's freaking me out. So we're quickly moving on to the hob instructions. So as you can hear now that the sausages are cooking. Set a timer for 10 minutes. So I got to keep turning these now for 10 minutes and hopefully they turn out nice. They smell nice though. While they're cooking, I just want to show you a plant that I thought I killed, but it's not dead. It's actually regrowing, which is exciting. But look, baby birds. Oh, they're not in focus. Lush. I think just for this experiment, I might cut 2 of them and cook them that way as well and see if that makes a difference to the taste and if it's any good. I'm going to just turn these sausages to make sure that they're cooking all the way around. Oh my god, these look really sad. I'm not even going to show you yet. It's really sad. I'm definitely going to have to cook these longer than I'm supposed to. But I'm going to blame my oven for that. So James just came in, right, and he was like, reenact it, because it, go.
Oh my god, they're like real sausages.
Yeah, they are. You're such a good actor, by the way.
It smells like them as well.
I was literally saying that.
This is quite scary. You even got the skin, like that's crisping around the edges and stuff.
But look how disappointing and sad the other ones are looking.
I said, didn't I? I said you should follow.
I haven't actually shown them on the video yet. Yeah, they look really sad.
Yeah, maybe they're the best. They look like you're cooking my sausages.
Okay, so these are done, and I'm just gonna plate them up now and give James half and me half, and we'll see if they're any good.
So
okay,
go then. Here we go.
So I'm gonna go in with this one first. They look good. Do you know what they taste like? They taste like chip shop.
Okay, yeah, like jumbo sausage.
Yeah, like that's literally how they taste. If I had batter.
Do vegan sausage and batter, that'd be so cool though.
Should I try it? They're really good. I'm just gonna try this one really quickly. I recommend like cooking them like that because it just gives it that extra bit of like crispiness and like
crunch, like
taste and stuff.
Either side is it? You've got the.
But literally, it's like it tastes real. I might be biased. I might be saying it to make you go vegan. I'm joking. They taste. From what I remember, they literally taste like. Anyway, they literally taste like. Your turn now.
Oh my god, yeah, it is like this is the best vegan sausage straight away in terms of looks like a sausage. Okay, it doesn't taste like a sausage, like a vegan sausage. Yeah, nice though. There's no difference to me. I would have that on my breakfast instead of my sausages to have breakfast with you.
Yeah.
Like there's no difference to me. Like you've got the skin, you have that like experience or whatever.
Do you like them though?
Yeah, sausage and mash, breakfast. Oh, really good.
Dude's like breakfast, dinner, and tea.
I'll try these ones as well, like every day. Literally now, my breakfast could be vegan, like without me feeling like I'm missing out. Because I don't really like bacon. I have hash browns, I have toast, I have beans. The only thing that's on there is sausage. Vegan sausage, which are good replacements.
The timer's just gone off now for like the 4th time. Every time I checked on them, they just didn't look ready. I think they've been cooking now for like maybe 30 minutes or 35 minutes. But regardless of whether they look done, I'm picking them out and I'm gonna try them because I am done waiting. So this is how they're looking. You can hear them sizzling, but they look extremely dry. They don't look as nice as the fried one, but we're gonna taste them anyway. Should we see what James' first impression is of these sausages? I know.
They're not as nice. I mean, I could argue they're more evenly cooked, but I personally like, you know, burnt bits. Taste them.
Do they actually taste the same?
I think they taste the same, yeah.
If you had to choose.
Right, it's not a question in my mind.
I mean, yeah, okay, they still taste nice. I think the only downfall is they take absolutely ages to cook. And like you said, they don't have that outside, like, crispy bit. It tastes nice. Overall, I'm like really impressed. If you were gonna cook these yourself, just go with the whole version. It's quicker, tastes nicer, they look nicer. Yeah, I'm really impressed though. Thanks Paige for recommending. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, drop a comment down below if you've tried them, if you think they're any good. And if you've got any recommendations for recipes for me to try. Okay, thank you, bye.